In today's video, I'll show you how to install a 100% save file in Nioh 3. Check my video description for this HXD20 download link. Scroll down. Next to English, select the download option. And check my video description for the save file download link. Download this as well. Once download done, select this folder icon, right click on the HXD and select WinRAR and select extract to. Open the extracted folder and double click on the exe. Select OK and select next, accept and select next, select next, select next, install. Once installation done, just close tab here and open the HXD, open the hxd.exe. So we have successfully installed. Now you need to go to downloads, right click on the save file and select WinRAR and select extract to. Press in keyboard Windows key and R key together and type percentage local app data percentage again. Click on OK. Open this Koi Nioh save data a random number. This is the save file we are going to replace. So right click and select open with, select choose an app on your PC, navigate to desktop, open the HXD and open this exe and select open option. Select just once. Click on the drop down in 16. Set this to 24. Under the 10, 11, 12, 13 value, copy this number, paste it in Notepad, and then close tab here, back up the save data, drop to this new folder, go back to 100% save data, open save data, open this save data with HXD, click on the drop down and select 24, 10, 11, 12, 13, just insert the value we copied, paste, insert the same value we pasted here, 3F29CD78. It's not same for everyone. Select file and select save option. Now the settings has changed. Right click on backup bin and select open with and select HXD. The drop down in 16 and set this to 24. And in 10, 11, 12, 13, right click and select paste insert. Once you're done, select file and select save option. Stop here, and this is the modified one. Right now we modified. So right click, select both and cut, paste it in the save data folder. Now you can launch the game. Once you are in game, select load game. And as you can see, the save file successfully loads. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.